to all of you. You are nervous, panic, don't get nervous. I would like to give you the tips before the examination. There are only one day for the preparation for the examination. So for tomorrow, what you have to do and what you have to do day after tomorrow, I will give the tips for that. First of all, you should take proper diet, you take proper rest and avoid last minute intensive study session. Just you have to revise the formulas, diagrams and graphs and brief notes and important point like generator, transformer, Gauss's theorem. And after that, what you have to do, you have to do previous year question papers as many as possible till tomorrow 9 p.m. After that, no study, you sleep and then get up tomorrow next day during the when the examination day is there 6 a.m. again revise all the formulas, diagrams and graphs and diagrams, and then you go for the paper. And as you enter in the examination room, you'll get 15 minutes reading time. That 15-minute reading time is very important for you. You read the question paper thoroughly and then you have to prioritize which question you have to attempt first, then which question you have to do afterwards. That will help you to build the momentum. So first of all, you should understand what is the pattern of the question paper. Your question paper, it consists of total 33 questions and 70 marks are there. You will get 3 hours to attempt that paper. It consists of the 5 sections, section A, B, C, D and E. Section A consists of question number 1 to question number 12 MCQ, then 13 to 16 assertion reasoning questions are there. All these questions 1 to 16 will carry 1 mark and more than 2 minutes should not be given if you know the answer. If you don't know, leave the place. And then comes section B. It consists of 5 questions, 2 marks questions, so 2 5s are 10 marks. Then section C, it consists of 7 questions, each question carry 3 marks, so 3 7s are 21. Then comes section D, it consists of 2 questions, that will be case study based question and that will be of 2 4s are 8 marks weightage. And then last section E, it consists of 5 marks, 3 questions, so 5 3s are 15 marks are there. Now you have to do all the questions in a sequence and how to divide your total 3 hours time to complete the paper effectively and to score good marks. That you have to listen very carefully. Section A to section C should be completed in 1